What if I told you there was a man born into wealth, luxury, and privilege who chose discomfort? Who chose discipline and built himself into a legend? This isn't fiction. This is the true story of Cato the Younger, the Stoic who forged his mind and body, while the rest of Rome drowned in pleasure. Born in 95 BC into one of the most powerful families in Rome, Cato had everything: education, wealth, influence, status. But from a young age, he saw the rot beneath Rome's glory. He saw senators become slaves to pleasure. He saw generals ruled by ego, and he decided he would not be like them. He chose the harder path, the Stoic path. Cato gave up all luxuries. He wore the same rough cloak every day, winter or summer. He walked barefoot in the streets of Rome. While others feasted, he ate simple meals. While others slept on fine beds, Cato lay on the ground. He believed, we must endure pain, not because we enjoy it, but because it makes us unbreakable. He trained his body daily, not to impress, but to command himself. He believed, if you can't say no to comfort, you are already conquered. But Cato's real power wasn't physical. It was mental, forged through silence and restraint. He would go days without speaking, not because he was shy, but to train emotional control. He walked through crowds and ignored insults. He refused to be provoked. He refused to react. He was untouchable. He didn't just read philosophy. He lived it moment by moment. He declared, I am not angry. I am not afraid. I am not ruled by anything outside myself. Cato followed the teachings of Zeno and the early Stoics. He believed that the highest good was virtue, not pleasure, not power. His values were courage, justice, temperance, and wisdom. He rejected excess. He rejected comfort. Even when mocked in the Senate, even when offered bribes, power, and influence, he stood firm. As the Stoic Epictetus said, don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Cato embodied it until the end. You don't have to be a Roman senator, you don't need sandals and scrolls, but you do need what Cato had: the power to choose discipline over comfort. Train your body even when you don't feel like it. Control your emotions, especially when no one's watching. Say no to comfort when comfort is killing your purpose. This is how you rebuild. Today, take the Cato challenge. Take a cold shower. Skip something comfortable like junk food, your phone, or the easy way out. Do something hard on purpose, and write one Stoic thought to guide your day. Then comment below, I chose pain today, like Cato. And if this story woke something up inside you, subscribe to Go for weekly Stoic motivation and real inner strength. Because remember, comfort is a drug, discipline is the cure. Thanks for watching.